So, you want to know more about Seacrest Beach. In this video, we're going to talk about everything you need to know about Seacrest Beach. Hi, I'm Richard Eimers. I've sold real estate from Destin to 30A and Inlet Beach since 1995. In this video, we're going to talk about everything you need to know about Seacrest Beach, and if you're thinking about buying in Seacrest Beach, then we'll get on my laptop at Google Maps. Here I'll give you a good overview of the community, and then we'll jump in the Jeep and take a ride around the neighborhood and view several different properties at different price points so that you can decide if Seacrest Beach is right for you. Now, let's get started. My name is Richard Eimers. I'm with eXp Realty. We get calls and emails every day from people just like you looking for help on making their move to our Emerald Coast, and we absolutely love it. Whether you're moving in 9 days or 9 months, give us a call or shoot us a text, send us an email, or schedule a Zoom call. All of the information is in the description below, so we can help you make a smooth transition to our Emerald Coast. So I guess by now you're wondering, how do I get to Seacrest Beach? Well, I'm here to show you. And we're going to open up Google Maps on my laptop, and we're going to take a walk around. Here we are in Google Maps. This is a zoomed out Google Maps of the area around Seacrest Beach. So right here you can see is Rosemary Beach, and Rosemary Beach runs from the Gulf side almost all the way up to Highway 98. This is Highway 98 right here, just to remind you where it is. It comes down here, then it kind of comes up, it goes over the bridge at Lake Powell, and you can go down 30A in Panama City Beach or Highway 98 if you're looking for some groceries. Seacrest Beach finds itself located between two powerhouse neighborhoods, Rosemary Beach being one of them. The other one is Alice Beach here. And right in here is Seacrest Beach. Now, the best way to get to Seacrest Beach is this new highway, or actually parkway, called Water Sound Parkway, and it takes you off of Highway 98 right to 30A, make a left, drive through Alice, and you are at Seacrest Beach. Go a little bit further, you're at Rosemary Beach, and then you're at Highway 98. So that gives you that is the absolute best way to get there. Or if you're coming from the Panama City Beach area, to jump on 30A right here, and you're just moments away. Just moments away. Just to give you a point of reference here. All right, so this is the Camp Creek Golf Course, which members of Water Sound get priorities, I'd have to say. Down here is Seaside and Watercolor, Grayton Beach. So you figure from Grayton Beach, having to drive through Seaside and all along 30A, it would take you about 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes to get to Seacrest. So there you have it. Now we're going to clean up this mess, and we will zoom in so you can see some other particulars. There we go. That gives you a good sense of everything. So here's that Water Sound Parkway again, coming off of Highway 98 to 30A. And this is Seacrest Beach. This is Alice Beach. And this all here is Rosemary Beach. So you can see it's just snuggled up in there among some of the best neighborhoods, where maybe the average selling price at Seacrest is about $1.5 million, $1.6 million. You'll find that the average price at Alice Beach and the average price at Rosemary Beach to be closer to $3 million. And it's a matter of the construction. The quality of the construction at Alice Beach is unbelievable. It's all solid concrete reinforced. And at Rosemary Beach, They plane all of their boards before they build the houses, and they plane them right on site. It's just beautiful. You can see here again, here's the Camp Creek Golf Course. There is a bunch of new construction going on right here. These are all water sound projects. They look like they're monster homes. So here we are. Now, the shopping. Let's find that shopping again. We got the world famous donut hole here. We've got 30 Ave with their fountains and the Amica and Amigo restaurants. Shopping, running stuff, doctors and attorneys' offices are there. It's a very diverse market. Over here on the corner of 30A and Highway 98, we've got Shades, which is like a sports bar. Good sports bar. Really good sports bar. And then just as we passed 30 Ave and Donut Hole, there's a little shopping center here that's got a UPS store in it. There's another little shopping center over here that's got an eyeglass place and a Japanese restaurant. So you're getting plenty of stuff there. And then if you just, while you're here at Seacrest, there is this little subdivision, and there's a Mexican restaurant that's just grown and grown and grown. There's a vacation rental place there. There's beach sundries there. So you got a lot of little shopping there. There's a craft beer pub in that little shopping center. There's a small grocery store. There's a coffee shop. And then, of course, you've got Market Street in Rosemary Beach, which has a great little coffee shop right around here. Just a ton of restaurants. They got the Pearl Hotel is right here. So you're not lacking for anything to eat or to buy to wear or just to get out. There's plenty going on. And there you have it, Seacrest Beach, Florida.
Here we are on 30A in Inlet Beach, and we are just about to enter Seacrest Beach, and there's the world famous lifeguard chair at Seacrest Beach.
We're still walking down Blue Dolphin Loop, Blue Crab, and turning down onto Sand Flea, and we're looking for 44 Sand Flea, which I believe this is it. Nicely painted, cute palm trees in the spindles on the railings. I'll tell you a little bit about this property. So as I said, this is 44 Sand Flea Drive in Inlet Beach, Florida. This is a 5-bedroom, 4-bath home. Built in 2003. All of that is packed into 2,600 square feet. The property's been on the market for 94 days. The list price per square foot is $682 a square foot. And so asking price, $1,774,000. Not bad. So here we are, we're standing at the corner of Sand Shovel Lane and Beach Bike Way. And so we're just kind of walking down Sand Shovel so you can see what the houses on the street here look like. All cottagey. This is fairly close to the gigantic pool that they have here at Seacrest Beach. But cute homes, good shape. Everything looks well maintained. Yeah, I think they like their greenery here. It's a beautiful 3-story. And we're just going to turn this corner. So you can see the neighborhood. And here we are. We are coming on 29 Sand Shovel Lane. There it is. I'll tell you a little bit about this property. It is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 20
2,254 square feet, built in 2004, not too old. 190 days on the market. Now, that's a long time. House is really, in this price point, shouldn't be on the market any more than 90 days. So it tells me it's overpriced. But it's $661 a square foot. The assessment here is $1,250 quarterly. And the asking price on this is $1,409,000. There you have it. Well, we finally made it to Beach Bike Way. And now we're just going to kind of walk down the street, show you what the neighborhood here looks like. These are a little bit bigger homes than some of the others in the neighborhood. And as you can see, not only do they use clapboard or hardy plank, but they also do some nice stuccos. This neighborhood's been around a long time, probably about 20 years. There's a new one, just finishing up construction. And you can see that one is still under construction. And so here we are. I think we're very close to 324. Looks like it. Aha! There it is. And you can see it goes all the way back. I see 2 tankless hot water heaters. Good sign. So this property is a 6-bedroom, 6-bath property, built in 4,362 square feet, built in 2015. This property is just 16 days on the market. It is absolutely stunning. Great colors, not too old. List price per square foot, $894 a square foot. Asking price, $3,900,000. And there you have it, 324 Beach Bike Way. I figured while we're still at Seacrest Beach, might take you down to this fantastic pool here and give you some figures for the last 90 days of sales at Seacrest Beach. Currently, there are 24 homes for sale. Square footage is 2726. That is the average square footage of all those homes. That's $799 a square foot asking price. Days on the market is 96, starting to get up there a little bit. The highest priced property for sale today in Seacrest is $3,900,000. The lowest is $1,349,000, and the median is $1,912,000. So that's asking. Right now, pending, there are 4 properties. Average square footage is 2,400. That's $814 a square foot. Current days on the market is 64. Not bad. Highest priced pending property today is $2,595,000. It's asking price, not the selling price. The lowest is $1,199,000, and the median is $1,985,000. Those are pending. And then we have our solds. There are 6 sold in the last 90 days. Average square footage, $27.98. Price per square foot sold is $779. Days on the market of those sold properties, average is 53. Highest price sold property, $2,736,000. Low is $1,650,000, and the median is $1,995,000. There you have it. Sales activity in just 90 days at Seacrest Beach. Hope you enjoyed. So throughout this community, Seacrest, they have these little parks. You can see they've got all nice looking equipment there, nice greenway, a bench, and another bench. There you have it.